Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Mr. Daniels.
Okay. You all may be seated. Mr. Daniels.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
All right, folks, let's dive into this courtroom drama. The judge calls the session to order as Mr. Daniels steps forward to present his case. In a rare move, he is voluntarily placing himself on child support, a decision that immediately sets this case apart. The tension in the room is undeniable as the judge acknowledges his presence and prepares to hear his story. What makes this even more intriguing is the absence of the child's mother. Her no-show raises questions about her role and level of involvement. But this case isn't just about money, it's about a father taking responsibility to ensure his child's well-being. With this unexpected twist, the situation becomes even more complex. Now, all eyes are on the judge. What will the final decision be? Let's find out.
Yeah, I brought my case because I'm trying to file child support on myself to make sure that my child is getting the benefits that it needs because the mother doesn't seem to be taking care of the responsibilities.
I mean, obviously not. She didn't even have the audacity to show up for court today. And I see that you did send her notice of that.
I did.
Okay. It's very different when people come in and, well, guys in particular, come in to put themselves on child support. Like, what's the backstory between you and mom? Have y'all ever been married?
I tried to get married. I tried to do everything right.
Okay.
She chose to be out in the streets, so I'm just trying to.
What do you mean by chose to be out in the streets?
Chose to be being somewhere other than the house.
Okay.
So, yeah.
She party a lot, do all those things?
Well, I don't know where she's at, so I don't know what she does.
Do you communicate with her at all?
When it comes to money.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why.
You have a son or a daughter?
I have a son.
Do you get to see your son?
On the weekends, but it's rare. We have a lot of conflict going on. Again, she's not here, so this is why I'm bringing this to court.
Daniels takes the stand, explaining why he's in court today. He wants to ensure his child is financially supported, believing the mother isn't fulfilling her responsibilities. Her absence in court speaks volumes about her level of commitment, a point he doesn't hesitate to mention. The judge probes, deeper, asking about their relationship history. Mr. Daniels reveals they were never married, though he made every effort to do the right thing. Unfortunately, the mother chose a different path. His frustration is clear, but so is his determination to do what's best for his son. As the judge listens intently, the tension in the room is undeniable. This is more than a legal proceeding. It's a father fighting for his child's future. The fact that he took the initiative to file for child support himself is a testament to his dedication, even in the face of conflict.
Okay, so you do understand how child support works, right? It's based on a calculation based on the amount of money that you make.
I'm third string, so I don't make that much.
What does that mean, your third string?
I'm not making a lot of money right now in the arena football league that I play in. So I'm trying to come to court because I want my child taken care of, but I can't take a major hit because I have to take care of myself as well.
Okay. So it's based on the calculation. So whatever amount of money that you make, that's what your child support is going to be set at. No matter if you were third string, first string, second string, I don't know how many strings it go up to. It's based on your calculation. Okay. So how much money do you make a year?
Around 67.
Okay. And you only have one child?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So 67,000. Well, let me ask you this. Who pays health insurance?
I pay it.
Okay. How much is your health insurance?
Around 120.
120. Okay. And let me see. You turned in some documents here. Looks like your health insurance is actually 130. Okay. 130. You're shorting yourself $10 because the health insurance amount, I mean, she's not here obviously to dispute it or whatnot, but you get a credit for carrying the child on your health insurance.
Okay.
The judge shifts focus to the financial details, asking Mr. Daniels about his income and whether he provides health insurance for his child. He admits that money is tight. He's currently a third-string player in the Arena Football League. The judge breaks it down, explaining that child support is calculated based on income, regardless of job status. However, she notes that since Mr. Daniels provides health insurance, he receives some credit, slightly reducing his obligation. The financial breakdown is clear and precise, offering insight into how the system works. It's a teachable moment for anyone watching as the judge emphasizes that child support is about the child's needs, not personal circumstances. With a no-nonsense approach, she ensures the calculations are fair and transparent, leaving no room for ambiguity.
So, based on that, giving you credit for the health insurance, your gross comes out to $5,470. Your net of that after taxes come out is $4,357.28 for a child support amount of $871.46. Okay?
Okay.
You have any other questions about that?
Are you single?
Well, no.
Okay,
But I don't think that has anything to do with why you're here.
Oh, well, I don't have a good baby mother.
So you want to make me a baby mama? That's what you're telling me?
No, I wasn't trying to make you a baby mother. I was just seeing if you were available to help.
Well, I'm available for my next case. So if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
All right, thank you.
The judge delivers her ruling. Mr. Daniels' child support obligation is set at $871.46 per month, calculated based on his income and health insurance contributions. She makes it clear that this amount is non-negotiable, as it's directly tied to his earnings. While Mr. Daniels accepts the decision, there's a flicker of concern on his face. He's grappling with the challenge of balancing his own needs with his child's. Sensing the tension, the judge lightens the mood with a bit of humor, joking about finding him a good co-parent. But beneath the laughter, the message is serious. This ruling ensures that his child's financial needs are met. As the case wraps up, the judge's final remarks underscore the importance of responsibility, not just financially, but emotionally, in co-parenting. Mr. Daniels leaves the courtroom knowing he's taken the right step, reaffirming his commitment to his child's well-being.
Daniel's case. So the interesting thing about his case, he placed himself on child support. He actually petitioned to the court to put him on child support. That's very unique because you don't see that very often, but you are able to do that on your own. If you want to put yourself on child support, you are more than welcome to do so. Actually, I would recommend that you do it because then you don't have to worry about getting hit with back pay later on because you never paid child support for your child from the beginning. So, teachable moment for you guys.
Now, let's break this down from a legal perspective. This case stands out because Mr. Daniels voluntarily placed himself on child support, a rare but highly commendable move. A lawyer explains that taking this step can help prevent issues like back pay and ensures the child's needs are met from the very beginning. It's a powerful reminder that child support isn't just about legal obligations. It's about taking responsibility for your child's well-being. The video concludes with a call to action, encouraging viewers to share their experiences and subscribe for more insights. This case perfectly illustrates how the court prioritizes the child's best interests, even when one parent is absent. The educational segment reinforces the importance of proactive parenting and understanding the legal system to safeguard your child's future.